Gwnaf symud ymlaen ar ôl gadael ysgol. Gwnaf gychwyn ar fy ngyrfa. Wyt ti rhwng 16 ac 17 mlwydd oed, wedi gadael ysgol, yn ddiwaith, falle bydd hyfforddiaeth yn berffeth i ti. Mae'n wych. Pwrpas y cwrs cyfan o hyfforddiaeth mewn Trin Gwallt yw dy helpu i ddysgu'r sgiliau rwy ti ei angen i lwyddo. Mae'r darparwyr hyfforddiant yn rhoi profiad i'r dysgwyr o salonau Trin Gwallt go iawn. Maen nhw'n edrych fel salonau, a chanddynt offer salonau, a chandredig fel salonau proffesiynol gan diwtraid a fydd yn gofalu am bob agwedd o dy ddysgu.
The tutors and assessors are lovely. They look after you. If you've got any problems, you can just ring their mobile. They can come and visit you in the salon and they can talk you through. If you're not sure about cuts, you just tell them, they can talk you through it. They're really, really, really friendly.
There's a nice atmosphere here and everybody's friendly and the tutors are quite relaxed and they've got like time for you if you need anything to work on.
Chi gymorth hefyd i ddod o hyd i leoliadau gwaith, a dyma lle bydde di'n dysgu dan adain pobl broffesiynol sy'n redig eu busnesau Trin Gwallt eu hunain. Mae profiad gwaith yn rhan hanfodol o'r holl hyfforddeiaethau. Does dim i giro datblygu dy sgiliau mewn amgylchedd gweithio go iawn.
We do loads of different things: colouring, cutting, blow drying, sets. Most of the course is practical because I'm in my work placement every day, and then we come here then once a month. And we do some theory in a lesson and we do some tests and we've got our books at home then to read over.
Mae hyfforddiaeth yn berffaith os y ti wedi gadael ysgol heb gwybod beth i'w wneud. Bydd yn rhoi amser i ti brofi gwahanol sgiliau ac yn agor drysau ti. Dim ots os y ti eisiau parhau i ddysgu, symud ymlaen i'r coleg ar ôl hyfforddiaeth, gwneud prentisiaeth neu ganfod swydd.
It's very important to be qualified. One, because obviously you want people to employ you. And two, because you need to be confident in yourself. So if you've got the qualification, it proves that you can do it, and you just need to believe in yourself.
Ac os wyt ti'n credu yno ti dy hun, does dim terfyn i'r hyn y gellu ei gyflawni gyda hyfforddiaeth.
My ambition is to run my own salon, specialising in afro hair. I'll be aiming it at all different ages, and maybe a bit of beauty involved in the salon as well.
Felly, os hoffet ti symud ymlaen fel y bobl ifanc yma, rwy ti'n gwybod beth i'w wneud, mynd ar gwrs hyfforddiaeth. Gwnaf symud ymlaen ar ôl gadael ysgol. Gwnaf ystyried hyfforddiaeth mewn Trin Gwallt.